Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. I'm thrilled to bring you a tutorial on jailbreaking iOS 17. Yes, you heard it right. Jailbreak for iOS 17 is already available. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to jailbreak your iOS device in under 10 minutes. Before we begin, let me demonstrate that I'm using the latest version of iOS. As you can see, my iPhone is up to date. To get started, we need to make a few adjustments in your iPhone settings to ensure a smooth installation. Don't worry, it's an easy process and I'll guide you through each step. First, go to the General tab in your iPhone settings. Here, we want to ensure that the background app refresh option is enabled. This feature allows apps to refresh their content in the background, providing you with the latest updates and a seamless experience. Make sure it's toggled on and choose your preferred option, either Wi-Fi only or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next, let's head to the battery settings. It's crucial to verify that your iPhone is not in low power mode, as it can impact app performance. If it's enabled, simply toggle it off to ensure your device is ready for the jailbreak. Now on to the final step before we proceed to the exciting part. Open the App Store and check if automatic downloads is enabled. This setting ensures that Cydia will be downloaded automatically. With all the settings covered, it's time to jailbreak your iPhone. Launch your preferred internet browser on your iPhone and go to the website called jbelite.cc. jbelite.cc specializes in an uncover iOS jailbreak. Once you're on the site, locate the jailbreak button and tap on it. When the next page loads, click jailbreak again and confirm your action. Please be patient as the injection process may take a few minutes to complete. Trust me, the wait will be worth it. After the injection process is successfully completed, Cydia will be installed on your iPhone, ready for you to explore and enjoy a wide range of apps and games. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insightful videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.